In this video, we'll take a look at how you can set up Garmin Pay Wallet so that you can pay for purchases using your Garmin Vivoactive 4. So I just happen to have a credit card here, and what we're going to do, we're going to flip over to the phone and set things up in Garmin Connect. And then if we're successful, we'll show you how you can turn it on so that you can tap and pay with the watch. So let's flip over and take a look. And here we are in Garmin Connect. We're going to tap on the watch icon to get to our device settings, and we're going to tap on Garmin Pay, and we'll go through this the first time wizard by adding a card. So we're going to initialize the passcode. This is for us to enter on the watch when we want to pay. Unlike, for example, Apple Pay, we just need to use our fingerprint or Face ID, but this is a passcode that we're going to set to use on the watch. And we're going to get ourselves set up here. We're going to enter or tap on mastercard because that is what we have. And we got some terms and conditions here. We're going to tap through that, and we're going to get the watch set up. This takes about a couple minutes, and then once we're on this screen, we're ready to actually enter the details of the card. So we're just going to go in here and punch in the number, expiry date, and all the information we would need. This is probably not the first time you've done this. So we'll go through and we're going to try to get this card validated here and make sure that we can use it. And we are not allowed to use my credit card. Unfortunately, our bank or our MasterCard was not supported. That's why in the link in the video, there's a link you can check before you do this. But let's say we were successful adding an approved credit card that supports Garmin Pay. In order to use it somewhat similar to an Apple Watch, all we have to do is press and hold the A button or the GPS button here, and our wallet icon is right here. It looks like a couple file folders, and you would tap on it, and basically you would have the option to enter the passcode. Now, if you're used to using an Apple Watch or your phone, you would just validate using your phone with your fingerprint or your Face ID. That's how they get around with it. But then we would have to type in our passcode that we set up on Garmin Connect, and then we just tap and pay. But in this case, Garmin Pay is not supported in Canada by one of the major banks at this stage. So you might have better luck if you're in different countries such as the US, which seems to have a lot more options there. So there you go. That is, if you are successful and you bank at the right place, you'll be able to use Garmin Pay on your Vivoactive 4.